Yeah, a little chilly, a little foggy.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
That was a great ride. I forgot I've done that one before. When the first time I went out to see Andrew in North Carolina, I stayed in Chattanooga and I took that same route. Didn't realize it until we were just on it. I'm like, that's where that was. But we're just stopping for gas, and then we're gotta find something to eat. I'm hungry. So. Made it to Smoky Mountain Harley Davidson. Am I the only one that didn't realize there's no E in Smoky Mountain? All right, good morning. We just checked out of the Airbnb. We are headed to Lynchburg to do the Jack Daniels tour, and then our final destination for the day is Huntsville, Alabama. So let's go. All right, we made it to breakfast at Damron's in Tullahoma, Tennessee. We're about 30 minutes from, where are we 30 minutes from? 30 minutes from Jack Daniels Distillery. So that's what we're gonna go do after this. But we're gonna go, because we gotta go to the bathroom. All right, we just got done with the tour at Jack Daniels, and there's a lot more bikes here than before. Now we're heading down to Huntsville, where he booked the Nerd Nest on Airbnb. It's like 80s themed with video games and stuff, so it'll be fine. He'll enjoy it. But we're gonna get down there, and I think by the time we get there, we'll be able to check in. So we're gonna roll. This is the nerd nest, and this is the room that I'm staying in. And you can see video games. Keith is staying in the Star Wars. And he's turning on all the games so he can do his video. So he and his wife have Our 80s Life on YouTube. Check them out. But this is right up their alley, which is why Keith reserved this one. But also, here at the front door, when you walk in, you can buy the Nerd Nest gear. So if you're all interested in that. But Keith is about to do his little video thing, so you can check it out if you want to know more about the Nerd Nest. We're up here on the Natchez Trace Parkway. Tupelo, Mississippi is that way. We just came from Alabama, which is down that way. And we stopped to use the restroom. Well, all along the trace you have these little stops where you can read about the history of the trace and all that kind of thing. But we're holding off the rain so far, but I have a feeling as we go we might get some. Maybe not. I think Keith is good luck because it never seems to rain when he's on the road. Oh yeah, and so far I saw a little black bear and a gaggle of wild turkey. So it's a I don't know, whatever.
So we checked, but it doesn't work. So that would have been fun. I mean, the fact that it's still sitting here is just kind of weird. But we're about 2 hours from our destination. So we're gonna get back on the Natchez Trace. And it's starting to get hot and humid, but we'll survive. That's what we do, we survive. Yeah, I figured I'll let it.